The next question here is an inequality. I'd like to multiply both sides by x minus 3, but I don't know if x minus 3 is a plus or a minus, because that'll, impact the sign here. So I can't multiply when I don't know what I'm multiplying by, what sign it is. So I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 3 to be squared. I'd just like to maybe note for myself, x cannot be 3. So just make sure I don't give that a solution. So 2x minus 5 all over x minus 3 less than or equal to 5 over 2. Multiply both sides by x minus 3 to be squared. That gives me 2x squared minus 5x minus 6x plus 15 less than or equal to 5 over 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 9. That gives me 2x squared minus 11x plus 15 less than or equal to I'm going to multiply everything by a 2, so it's plus 2, so it's not going to impact the sign. That gives me 4x squared minus 22x plus 30 less than or equal to 5x squared minus 30x plus 45. I'm going to bring everything to one side. It doesn't matter which side. I'll bring it all to the left. When I do, I end up at minus 1x squared plus 8x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. I don't like myself having a minus 1x squared, so I'm going to multiply across by a minus 1. When I multiply by a minus, this sign here is going to get impacted. So that's x squared minus 8x plus 15 greater than or equal to 0. In order to solve this, I'm going to graph it. And in order to graph it, I'm going to have to let x squared minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0 so that I can see the roots and then graph it. Whatever way you want to solve this, you'd end up with the two factors x is 5 and x is 3 that are my roots. So, you might have your own way of solving that, but eventually you'll get to those factors. And the reason I did this is so I can sketch it. It's a U shape. Now, where is my graph greater than or equal to 0? Anywhere there or there. So that's where x is less than 3, can't be equal to 3, and where x is greater than or equal to 5. The reason it can't be 3 is because I said that earlier on, back up here, because if it was 3, I'd have a 0 on the bottom of my fraction when it's not allowed.